This is an open letter from Ukrainian citizens and especially women to American public. Our full helplessness before the repressive and serving Ukrainian justice has induced. It is a question of punishment of present President of Ukraine Viktor Yanukovych about the former Prime Minister of Ukraine and the inspirer of Orange Revolution Yulia Tymoshenko. Now in Ukraine there is a trial. Tymoshenko is accused of the excess of official power at signing a gas agreement with Russia in winter 2009. When from the gas market was removed semi-criminal intermediary Rosukrenergo, headed by close to Yanukovych oligarch Dmitry Firtash. Charges required imprisonment for a term of 7 to 10 years. One of the leading US legal firms, Covington & Burling LLP, and one of the largest audit companies, BDO, described as politically motivated the charges put against Yulia Tymoshenko. And this at a time deputies from the ruling party of Yanukovych, long before the establishment of a court verdict on the case, has publicly on a talk show say that Tymoshenko will go to jail. On acquaintance, 15 volumes of the case in 4,000 pages and construction of protection, the judge has provided 2 days to her lawyer. Taking into account aforesaid facts, it is difficult to get rid of sensations that President Yanukovych wants to eliminate the actual competitor from a political arena till following parliamentary elections in 2012. Especially humiliating for him is that he can lose a woman. Yanukovych represents Donbass, the region of Ukraine in which the status of the woman in family and society traditionally is significantly lower than the status of the man. It is characteristically that on the past presidential elections, Yanukovych publicly recommended Tymoshenko to show off in the kitchen. Also, the one circumstance is characteristically too that his spouse lives far from the residence and never appears in public. It is forbidden to her to give an interview to the journalists. In our cabinet now there is no women. Prime Minister Mykola Azarov openly argues that conducting reforms is not women's business. Manifestation of attitudes toward women in Donbass was disgraceful act of son of the ruling party's deputy Roman Landik, who brutally beat the girl in the one of the nightclub of Donbass in July 2011 and then goes to law against her. Yanukovych returns in the country a patriarchal society where men will operate the country only. Unfortunately, the Ukrainian public opinion for the president is too weak to affect the repressive governmental device. We don't have free public TV. All our TV channels belong to oligarchs of Yanukovych, where the entry for Tymoshenko is closed. Therefore, we are compelled to address for the help of influential people and the organizations of the West. The help of the American public for her protection is necessary to us.